Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone 16 and that iOS is up to date. This ensures compatibility. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% or plug in for uninterrupted setup. Now open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and select Always On. You're enabling the feature itself. Don't skip permission prompts. This first step turns the option live so you can refine what appears on the screen next. Next, you customize content so Always On shows what you need without wasting power. Tap into Clock, Widgets, and Notifications choices to pick concise elements. Choose which widgets remain visible and which alerts can wake the screen. Then enable Dim Lock Screen to reduce brightness when inactive, and configure focus exemptions so critical alerts still display. These choices balance visibility and battery life, and they control privacy. Finally, lock the phone and test Always On across different apps and during focus modes to confirm behavior. If it doesn't activate, restart the device first. This clears temporary glitches. Make sure low power mode is off and that lock screen settings haven't restricted display access. If problems persist, reset display settings or toggle Always On off and on again. Troubleshooting tip: a restart resolves most issues. If not, update iOS. Then contact support with diagnostics ready.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.